high protein vegetarian pasta. Ingredients: whole grain pasta, eggs, feta cheese, butter, carrot, sun-dried tomatoes, vegetable oil, salt and pepper. Step 1. Peel the carrot, then cut it in quarters and into half circles. Step 2. Oil up a pot, preheated to medium-high heat. Put the carrots in the pot, add salt and pepper and stir. Add boiling water, then the pasta, cover with the lid and boil for 10 to 12 minutes. Step 3. Drain the pasta from water, then whisk 3 eggs in a bowl. Step 4. Put the pasta back in the pot, add butter, pour the eggs in and stir on low heat until the eggs are cooked. Step 5. Cut the sun-dried tomatoes in strips, put the pasta in a bowl, brush on the feta cheese and top off with the tomatoes. Serve and enjoy.